Hello people of YouTube and all who inhabit 255 Pikachu, and today what we're going to do, I'm going to show you my crazy cockatiel duel. Now I was stirring my drink, and this was funny. She's crazy. Look at this. Like, here's my Furby. She's singing to it. I don't know if this is gonna, I don't know if you're gonna hear this because I tested and I'm not sure. But if there's no sound, just watch the bird. Now this is going to be adorable. I'm just stirring my drink. Don't mind BooBoo. Look at her. You're not doing it now, aren't you? You're trying to make a fool out of me? What's a woodpecker do? Well, there's BooBoo. BooBoo did it. Good boy, BooBoo. Well, that didn't work out. But, see this? My bird, Jewel, loves this thing. I don't know if you can hear her, but she's being crazy. She likes it. Winnie the Pooh. And the eel line chicken. I don't know if you can hear me or not. Just get away from her. Look at over here. I don't know if you can see him. He's down here. Bottom of this cage. But, yeah. This was 264 Pikachu here. Peace off. Bye.